Raven.
Main system activating combat mode.
All right, let's roll. We've still got time until V1 deploys. Deal with the corpse headquarters first. We need you to have a chance at winning this. No pressure, tourist.
C2, situation report, sir. Indicate the independent mercenary.
So that's
Breaking up!
target destroyed. Keep it up, tourist.
We're taking a pounding, Chief. Looks like they boosted some of the PCA's best hardware.
Hear that, tourist? Let Chatty handle the starboard wing for now. You need to deal with the target.
Visuals on the independent mercenary, sir. Understood. Eliminated!
Now we got an AC. Yes, Archibus likes to recycle too. Some PCA checks next.
Sparkling business. C2, sir. Is V1 ready to... I told you not to bother me, Chloe. Mercenary.
Looks like we've secured the area. Resupply while you can.
Enemy reinforcements, Chief. Too many to handle.
Where do they even find all these people? Go give Chatty a helping hand, tourist.
Chief, enemy detected. Coming in hot. ID code reads V1.
V1. Freud's making his move. Hurry it up, tourist.
Kept me waiting, tourist.
Chatty, good job pulling out.
Did what I could. Now we can fight back.
Reading multiple LCs. And a pulse protection drone.
I'll move up front and draw their fire. Chief, V1 is yours.
Oh yeah? No rest for the wicked.
Seemed they weren't so trivial after all. Never mind. That's what we have V1 for.
Let's get this trash out of the way.
Chatty! Chatty, please!
AI controlled AC, always the same.
Tourist. was right to bet on you, tourist. Me, Walter, Chatty. We were all counting on you.